front of me is REALME 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus icon to create a new one and adjust it however you wish. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on ring once, weekdays. You can adjust each one and hit OK or scramble. Over here you have explanation what it is, so all you need to do is read it and adjust it to your needs. You can also select custom, and here select the days of the week manually. Let's go with Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. When you're done with repeat section, click on alarm name if you wanna name it and label it however you want to. Then select ringtone. Hit allow if you never entered this section before. Select default at the top to use default melody, none if you want to enable only vibrations, one of those system options, so for example click on classic and pick one of those melodies. Select Spotify to log in and use music from it, or my favorite, weather. Weather adaptive feature, when enabled, will change your sound depending on the weather. You can also choose on this device here and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back to manage vibrate option. You can turn it off or switch it on. Then select snooze. Over here you can decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it on or off by operating this switcher. Go back, and to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on done again. Last but not least, to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!